Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find the equation of a straight line given 2 points on the line. So for example, find the equation of the line joining the points -2, 5 and 3, 15. Give the equation in its simplest form. So we start by finding the gradient of the straight line, and then we would basically use this formula. So y minus b equals mx minus a to find the equation of the straight line. So that's simply the gradient that we found using the gradient formula. And then AB is just any point on the line. And the order is important. So this is the x coordinate. That's why it's being subtracted from the x variable. And this is always the y coordinate of the point. So that's just any point whatsoever on the line. So these 2 points would work, for example, because they're points on the line. Okay, so let's label the points x1, y1, and then x2, y2. And if you haven't done this before, by the way, please watch my video on the gradient formula. That will show you how to find the gradient from 2 points. So the formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that would give 15. So it would be 15 minus 5 over 3 minus 2. So that would be 10 over 5, which is 2. So that's the gradient of the line. And then the point we're going to use for AB, I'm just going to use this point because it seems a bit simpler. That one has 15. So it's, this one seems a bit simpler. So in other words, B is 5. So I'll just write AB equals -2, 5. So that means A is -2, B is 5. And then we just plug everything into the equation of a straight line. So y minus b, so that would be y minus 5, equals the gradient times x minus a. So 2 and then x minus 2. And then we just go ahead and simplify that. So y minus 5 equals 2 times x plus 2. And that becomes 2x plus 4. And then finally, we just move the minus 5 to the other side. So that gives 2x plus 9. And that would be the equation of the line. Okay, let's try another example. So the points this time are -1, 6, and 3, -2. So I'm just going to let this one be x1, y1. This one's x2, y2. So the gradient would be y2 minus y1. So -2 minus 6 over x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 1. So that's -8 over 4, which is -2. And the point I'm going to use for AB is going to be this point. So this is A, this is B. And then we just plug into the equation of a straight line. So y minus b, mx minus a. So that becomes y minus 6 equals the gradient times x minus a. So x minus minus 1. So that becomes y minus 6 equals minus 2x plus 1. So that gives minus 2x minus 2. And then we just move the 6 to the other side to get minus 2x plus 4. Okay, let's try one more example. So we start by finding the gradient as usual. So that's x1, y1. That's x2, y2. So the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that would be 8 over minus 2, which is minus 4. And the point I'm going to use for AB is going to be this point. So we just plug everything into the formula for a straight line. So that would give y minus b, so this is b, equals the gradient, so minus 4, times x minus a. So this is the a value. So that becomes y plus 1 equals minus 4 times x plus 3. And that becomes minus 4x minus 12. And then finally we get y equals minus 4x minus 13. And that's the equation of the straight line.